Ooh, fish there, fish there. Now I have. Right, just when it looked like not much was going to happen. I think my reactions and my emotions have sort of said most of it. Hey guys, Jack back again. I got a pretty short period of time to go fishing today, so I'm just going to sneak out to one of the rivers and see if I can't find a trout. I don't have much time, so I'm just going to power fish it a bit and cover a bit of ground and see how we go. We've had a bit more rain, so hopefully the water level's a bit higher, but it might have drained away already, so just gonna have to see what it's like. I'm talking really fast because I don't have much time, so I'm just gonna go get into it. Bye. I've just pulled up to my spot and it started raining, which I'm not too upset about. I'd prefer it be a bit dull and overcast than bright and sunny. You just have to put up with getting wet sometimes. I'm gonna grab my stuff and head to the river. Sounds like a good plan. Solid plan. Let's go. Right. I'm just approaching the river and I can already tell there's a fair bit more water in there. Probably not quite as much as I'd like to have the ideal sort of runoff, but I'll take it. It's a lot better than what it was. I'm not going to mess about, I'm just going to get in. Hopefully, you'll see me soon. Water's actually higher than I thought. That's a good start. I'm just going to chuck this little strike tiger bug to start off with. And either I'm going to catch fish, or I'm going to have to mix it up and throw something else. I'm going to get straight into them where this water here is running into the mainstream, and it's also running off into another little drainage. There's some timber here, and I'll just start fishing. I don't know if you can see ripples on the water, but there's a fish over there. I don't know how I go, I can't really get close enough to cast at him. Yep, I'm not going to get close enough. I'm not going to get close enough from here, that's for sure. Oh, I'm going to be battling if I hook a fish there. Ooh, fish there, fish there. Oh, I just seen a big swell cast in and he swirled back the other way towards my lure, but he hasn't ate it. Oh, that sucks. That sucks a bit, I haven't seen much today. Now I have. Oh, don't go the wrong way around that tree. Do not go the wrong way around that tree. Please, come on. Come on. Yes. That was cool. That was so cool. I'm trying to try not to go for a swim here. Oh, come on. Come on. He's not a bad looking little male. Come on. Come the right way. Oh, that was awesome. He's not in yet. Just going to let him wear himself out a bit. Oh, that had me going. Ooh. He's might be tangled up a bit funny because he's fighting hard. Don't go that way. Come on. Feels like he's tail wrapped, which isn't good because they can go pretty hard, just like that. Wowzers. This might be the longest trout fight I've ever had. Come on, I'm going to put a bit of muscle on him. Where is he? Where is he? Ooh. Oh, I hope the GoPro's turned on. Come on. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Come on, come on, come on, come on. You gotta be worn out now. You gotta be worn out now. Oh, he's not a bad fish. Come back this way. Come back this way. Come on. Yes! Yes! Oh, he's fat. Oh, he's so fat. He is a chunk. He's not real long, he's just so thick. Yes. Right, just when it looked like not much was going to happen, this donkey has just come along. He smashed the little striped tiger T-tail. Like I said, he's not real long. He's just so fat, so thick. He's so healthy. Look how wide he is. Oh, my heart's racing. I'm not going to mess about too much. I'm going to get him back in. Just quickly. There's a little 2-inch T-tail that he's smashed. He's pulled it right back. A killer. One last look at him. That was so sick. It was so sick. Right, I was just having a quick and ah whether I was going to keep him and get him mounted. He's just over 3 kilos, but stronger heads have prevailed. So he's too pretty to keep. So if he swims off all right, he's going back. Look. He's such a chunk. Oh, that was cool. That was so cool. He gave me a bit of curry, that's for sure. Suck in the deep ones, bear. I don't think I've ever been so excited about a trout. I'm even sitting in the water, that's how excited I am. He's just sucking some big ones in. He can live to fight another day. Oh, he's a pretty fish. Oh, he's gone. He's coming back to us. All right. Holy shit, that had me pumped up. My heart's still racing. I've still got the shakes, I think. That was pretty bloody exciting. It's probably the hardest fighting trout I've ever caught. He's come out of there behind me where 2 different little channels meet, so the current sort of pushes up against itself. I've seen a big swirl. I cast it in there pretty close to where he was and he ignored it. So I just waited a minute. He had another big swirl, so I cast in there straight away and bang, he picked it straight up. Anyway, I got him in. I can just breathe a bit now. Holy shit. All right, I've got to go catch something else. See yous. All right, I've calmed down a little. I'm still puffing because sitting there is just walking. He's walking in this shitty, muddy, grassy swamp. Yeah, I'm not going to forget things like that. I don't have much to say. I think my reactions and my emotions have sort of said most of it. Oh, it was a grind. Been grinding for 3-4 hours, probably 4 hours. And just as I was about to say, bugger it, I'm heading back to the ute. That happens. I'm gonna go home a happy boy, that's for sure. If I don't fall into a wombat hole. I love the little messages of support saying I'm doing a good job. Most of the time I don't think I'm doing that good of a job, but people are happy, so I'm happy. All right, I'm gonna stop talking. Probably sick of listening to me again. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe as always. And I'm gonna try to get a bit more consistency to my videos. Once a fortnight. It's still probably going to be a battle, but I'll do my best. Hopefully I'll see you at the next video. Bye.